Hey, it's Tim Kerley from Atlantic Bay Mortgage Group. Just wanted to give you some information today about starting the home buying process. And specifically, I wanted to talk about a pre-qualification versus a conditional loan approval. What do those two terms mean? How does all this fit into the process? So typically, if you want to buy a home, you're going to start with a mortgage pre-qualification. Now, this usually just involves you giving some basic information to the lender and giving them permission to be able to take a look at your credit. Here at Atlantic Bay, our process typically also includes an evaluation by an automated underwriting system. Now, depending on the outcome of that evaluation, we may be able to go ahead and issue you a pre-qualification letter at that time, which is usually enough for you to be able to move forward if you're trying to make an offer on a specific property. I always recommend, whether we're able to get the pre-qualification or not, I always recommend that we go ahead and move forward with a conditional loan approval in the process. Now, what does this mean? It simply means that as the borrower, you're going to go ahead and provide the documentation that we're going to need to be able to obtain final loan approval, such as pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, maybe some other documentation. So once we receive that documentation, we can package that up along with your application, send it in and get an underwriter to review it and issue a full underwriting approval, which usually just takes a few days. Now, this is going to do a couple things for you. Number one, it's going to put you a few steps ahead in the process. I mean, these are documents that we're going to have for the process ultimately anyway, so why not get that out of the way now while you're still looking for a home? The second thing that it can do for you is it would allow us to be able to issue a stronger letter than the pre-qualification letter. The conditional approval letter actually says that your file has been reviewed by an underwriter, a human being, and not just an automated computer system. So if you're in a competitive situation on a particular property, maybe that would make a difference. Maybe that would give you an edge as the buyer of the property. But in any event, again, it's going to put you a few steps ahead in the process and save you time later. So I hope this information is helpful to you. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks much. We'll see you soon.